Matt here with High and Dry Boat Lift Service. There are a few different control boxes that boat lifts use. Today we're going to be showing you how to program your new remote for a TEC II Control Box on your boat lift. First, what you want to do is take off the cover, unscrew the 4 screws. Off. What you're going to be looking for is your receiver. You take this beige panel loose off of your receiver to expose the program button and the red LED. You're going to hold the program button down for 3 seconds till the LED starts flashing, and then press any button on your remote and hold it for 3 seconds. Release, and then push a different button for 3 seconds, hold it, and then release. And that should program your remote. Red LED's on. And that's all you need. There's up.